How to find your old comments on Facebook. If you want to find your old comments on Facebook, simply follow these easy steps. First of all, open the Facebook app or a mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Facebook account. Once logged in, tap on the three dashboard option available in the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to the menu section. Once inside the menu, scroll down and tap on the settings and privacy option available there. Then scroll down again and tap on the activity log option available there. Inside activity log, you can see the blue highlights tab option available at the top. Swipe till you find your comments. Once you see the your comments option available at the tab, tap on it. And in here you will get to see the list of comments you have made in Facebook. Since it's my anonymous account, I don't have any comments available. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.